So today we are at Little Gransden Airshow in Cambridgeshire, and it's cloudy. It was supposed to be sunny, but it's cloudy. And last week we were at Bottisham 1940s event reenactment. So if you want to go and see that video, the thumbnail looks like this. There. So go and watch that if you're into 1940s war stuff. But today we're at a air show. There's supposed to be a Lancaster, the Red Sparrows, some Spitfires. Okay, I'm panicking now.
Oh, are they going to have the parachuter people like last time?
No.
Oh.
There's going to be Little and Large. They're going to be here. The stunt team that was on my other video, if you're interested in watching, when we went to Old Buckingham, which looks like this thumbnail. So if you're interested in looking at Old Buckingham Air Show, then check out my channel, watch that, subscribe, because we do this kind of stuff. We go to these kind of events in Cambridgeshire. We will go to other places, but we're going to events in Cambridgeshire. So if you are interested in events like air shows, Duxford, 1940s war stuff, we go to them. So yeah, subscribe. And join us on our journey today. It's just me and Kimberly today. We'll see what it's spitting rain. I can see more drops on the windscreen. It's spitting rain. It's supposed to be sunny. Put sun cream on my face. That's why I look all oily. Yeah. That's why I look all oily. Put sun cream on.
Needing it now.
It's gonna be running in my eyes if it rains. Right, let's get out of the car and have a look around. Join us. Okay, we're in. We made it in. We've set up the chairs over there somewhere. And yeah, let's have a look round. That looks like my old car, kind of. Apart from mine had white wheels, a wing, side skirts, front bumper, but it looks kind of like my old one, but I don't have it anymore. Yeah, so some cars here, cars on show, some American cars. Some Japanese cars. Look at that bus. The old green seats.
found the beer, I found the beer.
There's something around there.
Yeah, but that's for people that paid VIP, ain't it? Yeah. We're on a search for coffee and tea and coffee, but...
Well, that's obviously not it.
Okay. We've got to join a long line. We're in the line for the something flying above us. In the line for donuts and tea, coffee.
Get there.
It starts in half an hour. Will we make it? Probably not. So, I'm currently looking for Pudsey Bear, £5 note, found on the floor, and I don't want to just take it. I want to give it to Pudsey Bear for charity, so I'm just looking for him. Can't find him. Okay, I found Pudsey. I can see him. Hopefully he's got a charity box. Found £5 on the floor. Found £5, want to give it to Pudsey. He looks a bit busy at the moment.
The ships will sail again all over.
Okay, Pudsey's busy at the moment. I need to give him that £5 note. I'm going out of my way to give him £5. Got to find Kimberly again now. I abandoned Kimberly to give Pudsey £5, but he's busy dancing at the moment. Right. I can see her. I can see her. Okay, I'm back.
Did you do it?
Pudsey's currently dancing.
Where, over there?
Yeah. There's his
Over
singers.
there?
Yeah, there's his singers, and Pudsey's dancing, so I can't give him the money.
What's he doing?
But
You didn't even do it.
no, because he's dancing.
Just go put it in the bucket.
There was no bucket,
No,
so.
the donuts are actually 4 for $3.50,
Oh, donuts.
and you get 6 for $5.
Let me just think about this donut situation.
For their last pass in a lovely line astern formation. As we give you the Red Sparrows break.
So this is Rich Goodwin with the Muscle biplane getting airborne immediately, showing us not just the effectiveness of that smoke system. Bringing it through there, its profile, undercarriage, all titanium. All in the name of improved aerodynamics, weight saving. Through a hesitation roll and pulling up. One roll one way, and then flick rolling back the other way numerous times. This aircraft's rate of climb already has to be seen to be believed. Just thinking it'll be like jet engines in future. Looking at a power-to-weight ratio of 1 to 1. With 1,700 pounds of thrust at its disposal, this aircraft weighs just 1,600 pounds. Everything about this machine has been optimised as far as is possible. A Formula One designer called Andrew Higgs has tuned up the 330 horsepower engine. Its maximum speed in excess of 200 miles an hour. It's possible for a range to +6 to -6 G with this aeroplane. Outside half loop. Further development since then. Showing us something of the speed of this modified S2S model as Rich runs in and flings vertical for a climbing rolling tower.
We talked earlier about the Yak 50 and the Cat 232 being very influential in World Aerobatic Championships, while in the 60s, 70s and even into the early 80s, various models of the Kicks were still very, very competitive, particularly with the US team.
Fly through down the line, particularly when they are some distance away from you, that the illusion takes hold. And just look at how closely coordinated they are. I don't know about you, Keith. The thing I always think during this display is even though I'm not a pilot myself, let alone a high-quality aerobatic pilot like Chris, but I can understand how people fly unlimited aerobatics on such an extra. It's controlling the model to such a precise extent that I just can't get my head round.
No, I think very much when you strap yourself into an extra or an aeroplane of this ilk, are very much connected. It's almost a thought process that moves, that controls. It's minuscule movements, but phenomenally powerful control surfaces. And the model here mirrors it.
A full-size aircraft, of course, one of the great line of products of the German aerobatic pilots and the Malta Extra. Richard's apogee with the 330SC that we'll see in action later. This is the 300 horsepower version. By contrast, the scale model rather less powerful. It has just 28 horsepower. Crucially, for what we're going to see as this display goes on, while the thrust-to-weight ratio of the full-size aircraft is about 0.75 to 1, which is impressive enough, the scale model has a thrust-to-weight ratio of 2.5 to 1, truly able to come to the hover and to perform some of the more extreme high angle of attack manoeuvres that are coming up in a little while. All the while, just as he would if he had another full-size aircraft in formation with it, Chris is calling the shots to Mike over the radio. This is a display that's become so well practiced over the years. Scale model flying in aerobatic terms at both UK and international level. And there he is, hanging sight on the propeller as Chris comes past on the knife edge. It's a pretty brisk wind down here on the Gransden aircraft, stressed to a maximum of plus 24 G, so it is of course the airframe that would fail long after the pilot. Strength in the extras airframe, not least from the carbon fibre that makes up a good proportion of its construction. Very light, very strong. That's exactly what you need in an aircraft like this.
Chris is getting them to celebrate correctly.
Yes, there are some absolutely legendary names still flying chipmunks like that. People like Mike Neal, who flew them in Berlin during the Cold War when they were operated as photographic reconnaissance platforms and so forth.
And I fly regularly with Robert Miller.
Oh yes, the doyen.
Yes, who has a badge on his arm with more than 5,000 hours in chipmunks, and that's some going, a single engine.
The team leader, Dave Barrell, called Smoke on Go. And then puts it on. For an initial loop they come.
And apart from being the coolest, draftiest location during the display, the two girls on top of the wings are being blown to pieces.
The two girls on the wings today are Kirsten Popjoy on the lead aircraft and Libby Dover-Smith following on. And you can see that the lead aircraft is in the characteristic orange livery of Aero Superbatics, the operating company showman on the display circuit, Vic Norman, the most experienced wing-walking pilot in the world. Now they come in towards us for the break, cameras ready, give them a wave because they have a fantastic view.
And from the right,
Coming in to cross and was that he was at the Salinas Airshow, Whitney-engined Stearmans that are the mainstays of the team today. And over the years, Dick and his company have taken things several stages further with the swivelling rigs, for example, and with these barnstorming between the walls. That was the period when wing walking first came about, and Utterly Button, Team Pino and the walkers. And these guys, and their current one, they have been all over the world. You've accompanied them on some of these adventures, haven't you? The US Navy. You could see them there, standing on one leg in front of the pilot's windscreen. A lot of upper body strength and core strength required for the wingwalk. Running in for their display, the 2021 Global Stars. Very graceful barrel roll. Out of this, I expect to see them changing into another formation that they call swan. And there he goes, creating a really beautiful shape in the sky. Go, calls Mark Jeffries, and they split apart. There they are, crossing the display centre. This is where we see the full performance of the Extra 330 SC in the hands of Mark Jeffries, really coming into its own. This, Keith, is the ultimate in the Extra 300 line, though there is now the new Extra NG on the market as well. Well, display lines.
Indeed, rather than flying straight down the display line, which one as it is.
Which is now led past us by former RAF fast jet pilot and very experienced glider pilot Chris Eames, as Mark rolls around their smoke trails. Watch the rejoin. Continual smoke this time rather than dotty. There's the double heart. That was the 20.
And then they break. Now cast your eyes up. And they're breaking. Wonderful. There's Nigel Lemon bringing up the rear, and that rare Mothman. And they will get close.
the aeroplanes are taking off and going home. So that was Little Gransden Airshow, and let me ask Kimberly how she thought the day was.
It was quite eventful, actually.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. I thought there was loads more planes than the previous shows we've seen, actually. Like variety. For the price we paid, I think it's good that, you know. And there wasn't just like plane flying. There was what? Acrobatics, women doing acrobatics on top of planes in the air, and then there was
wing walkers.
Yeah, they're called
wing walkers.
Yeah, and then there was like what are those planes called?
There was really good stunt pilots. Really, really good stunt pilots.
Remote plane. What are those
the remote control planes. Yeah. Little and large.
Yes.
So there's loads of cars leaving, but yeah, we stayed at the very, very end. Even after it finished, we stayed and watched some planes take off. And yeah, it's a good day out. So that was Little Gransden, and they have promoted next year. I think they said it was the 30th. The 30th of August, 2022. So go on Facebook, search up Little Gransden, like them, so you can be here in 2022. Oh, there's cars coming past now. Trying to do a bloody video. Right, yeah. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I got some footage. I didn't get loads of footage, but we'll see what's there of the planes. And, yeah, watch my other videos. The Bottisham 1940s event and Duxford and... Oh, what's that place we went to?
What? Buckingham?
Buckingham, yeah.
Was it
What's it called?
What's it called?
But little.
Oh, no.
Is it little? No, this is Little Gransden. Big. No, it's not big.
Big.
It's not Big Buckingham. Buckingham. Old Buckingham.
Oh my god. Yeah.
We got Old Buckingham, Little
I only had
Gransden.
an hour's sleep, so that's
Yeah,
my
Kimberly's
excuse.
had no sleep. Yeah, so there's loads of Airshow kind of stuff. So subscribe, don't follow, that's a different thing. Subscribe to the channel for more of this type of content. Thank you. And our next event will be, well, we don't actually know. we don't know what we're doing. Anyway, thank you and goodbye. Like, subscribe, smash that bell button, and comment for the algorithm. Right, ready? I'm not going to say that.
I hope not.
No, I'm not. You can see my arm.
Your arm.
Okay.